Drop it down, drop it down, drop it in the water. There you go. There he's going. Oh, that's a spinner shark. Don't jerk him, don't jerk him. You got a spinner, buddy. Let him go, let him go, let him go. Morning, Jettie Rockers. Welcome back to Jettie Rocks Fishing. I'm out here this morning. I got my buddy Mark and his son, Zach. And what we're going to do this morning is we're going to try to catch some sharks. We're out here right outside the inlet. We're at about 60 feet of water. And we're going to try to do some shark fishing this morning, y'all. So wish us luck. All right, y'all, well, we're set up. I got one rod on the bottom. I got my other rod free lining, and we're using some mangrove snapper heads from some recent mangrove snappers that we caught and some chunks of ladyfish. So hopefully it won't take long. It's about 8:15 right now. Hopefully we'll get this done pretty quick. Alright, well, we found a shrimp boat out here, y'all, so we're gonna try a couple drifts, see if there ain't any sharks hanging out with him, but it doesn't look like he's actually shrimping right at the moment. His nets are up, kinda. Well, we will see. Alright, we are hooked up. Still got him, just tighten it up just a little bit. Alright, go ahead, just start reeling on him. Alright, Zach is hooked up. Okay, hold on. Just play him a little bit. There we go. There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, don't jerk like that. Just steady wind, steady pressure. Just pull up gently and then wind down. Alright. Let's see what flavor you got, buddy. I do have trim tabs in the back there, so hopefully it's a black nose. Use the whole bow if you need to. You can step up there if you need to, Bella. That didn't take long, did it?
Feel heavy? Kind of.
Hopefully it's a nice black nose. That's what I'm hoping. Don't seem like a real big shark. There you go. Okay, don't forget I got trim tabs back there, so if it looks like it's going into the boat, push the rod tip down a little bit. There you go.
It feels like that back in 10 Mile there.
No, you used to fish that pulls back like that? Those would be your first big shark, right? Decent sized shark. Yeah, they fight pretty good, man. They fight pretty doggone good. I ain't seen him yet, though. He's still way down there.
Oh.
All right, put your rod tip in the water so if it goes underneath it. There you go. Well, guys, we sat at outside the inlet for about an hour and said, heck, let's go see if we go to another place. As we're going to our second place, I seen this shrimp boat in the distance. Came and did a drift behind here, got hit on the first drift and missed him. Second drift, we're hooked up. Oh, there he is. It's a big black nose, buddy. It's a nice one. Nice black nose. That's a nice black nose. Okay, when he comes close, I'm gonna need you to move this way so I can gaff him over here and get him in that box. About a 4.5 footer, maybe a 5 footer. It's a nice size shark, man. It's a good one, buddy. All right. Okay, don't let them cut you off on the bottom of the boat. There you go. Oh, don't trim tab. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's a good one. I'm gonna get him a little bit tired. Oh, no, he's not quite tired enough yet. Let him tire out just a little bit more.
Pretty thing.
He is. Once we get him in here and relaxed, I'll show you why they call him a black nose. He is not hooked good. All right. Let him chill out for a minute. All right, well, we got that one. High five, brother.
Nice.
Awesome. All right, man. All right, y'all. Well, we got one. That was only our second drift. That's your biggest shark, isn't it?
Yeah, so far.
How do you think that fight was?
Kind of tough.
Kind of tough.
Not really what I'm used to.
We're gonna go up and see if we can't do another drift. Get another one from Mark. Hopefully, it won't take us long. Got some dolphins playing right next to us. All right, do another drift, see what we can do. All this life out here. Hooked up with number 2. Drop it down, drop it in the water. There you go. There he's going. Oh, that's a spinner shark. Don't jerk him, don't jerk him. You got a spinner, buddy. Let him go, let him go, let him go. All right.
That's a good eating.
Yep, that was a real good eating. I have to look at his caudal fin to make sure it's either a spinner or a black tip because they both jump. Don't reel when he's running like that. There you go, you got him. He's up there, yeah. Just let him run. That's a good one right there, brother.
Might have to help get this one.
Oh, come on now. I'm gonna move the boat, start reeling when I start getting towards him. Keep steady pressure on him. There you go. All right. See how big this one is. Did you get a good look at him? I didn't get a good look at him. I didn't get a real good look at him, but a lot different than those river fish, huh?
Mm-hmm. That fish ain't no joke compared to that.
No, it isn't. All right. Just keep steady pressure on him. There you go. At least got to see him though. At least got to see him. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, we're gonna try to take this one. All right, guys, it looks like it's a big black tip. It looks like we're gonna try to take this one. We're gonna have to let him get really tired though.
Where you want me at?
Oh, you can stay right there for right now.
Can you have more than one black tip?
Yeah, it don't matter. Just 2 sharks per vessel. Now look at that caudal fin. If it has a black tip on the caudal fin, then it's a spinner shark. He's got to be 54 inches, which I'm pretty sure he's 54 inches. Yeah, he's definitely 54 inches.
Look at that, how pretty.
It looks like a black tip. All right.
You still don't want to come up there.
No, he doesn't. That's a nice looking shark though, man. That is a nice looking one. Yep. All right. Okay, go ahead and walk back just a little bit. He's gonna go nuts though. Completely nuts.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright. He ain't quite tired yet. Ain't quite tired enough. If I get a mouth shot on him, it won't matter, but he ain't quite tired enough.
His legs are shaking there.
Definitely a good one, Mark. He's tiring out though. He's tiring out. It's a good 25, 30 pound shark. All right.
Nope.
He's just a spinning and a spinning and a spinning. All right. I'm gonna try to go ahead and take him.
At least he's going in a box. When he gets tired, I'm gonna sit down when I'm tired.
Yeah, he gets to go sit in some ice water. It's a good one though, man. That is a good one. All right. Reason why I'm taking my time gaffing them, guys, because these things really like to spin. And they can actually hurt you when they do that. So I want him good and tired before I try to gaff him. All right, I'll gaff him this time. Hopefully he won't go too crazy. Nope, dang it. Didn't have a good angle on him. My bad.
Damn it, Mike.
Yeah, I just didn't have a good angle on him.
Come on, boy.
At least now he knows we mean business. All right, let's see if we can do this again. See if we can do this again, Mike. Come here. He saw that gaff, he didn't like it. Come here, buddy. God dang it, I can't get a hold of him. I cannot get a hold of him. Oof. Yeah.
You got him.
I just can't get a good gaff in him for some reason. All right, come here, buddy. I'm trying to get him in the mouth. But... oh. Golly, I just not. Maybe someone else should gaff him. I don't know. Just cannot get it in there.
I guess there's a reason for only two.
Yeah, if I don't get him this time, I give up gaffing. I'm gonna go take up a clerical job. He's not staying on the gaff. He's in the boat. He's in the boat.
Hell yeah, brother.
Heck yeah.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Zach, give me some
Only
of that.
took me 10 times gaffing the dang thing. All right, guys.
Something else I can...
Well, that's it. We caught our 2 sharks. We could stay out and catch a couple more, but it is really hot out here. And I want to get these sharks iced down really, really well so that Zach and Mark have some really good meat for the freezer. So we're going to take it to the house, guys, but I think they're worn out. I know Mark is. Shark fishing, man, it'll wear you out, but it's a lot of fun. All right, guys, well, there's our 2 sharks for the day. We got Mark with a really nice black tip, and we got Zach with a really nice black nose. Less than 2 hours, we got our 2 good fish. All right, Jettie Rockers, well, that's our video. Just a quick trip out there behind the shrimp boat. We got our 2 sharks pretty fast. We could have stayed out there and caught more, but it was really hot, and I wanted to get these sharks on ice, get them cooled down really quick so the meat doesn't spoil. But we had a blast, guys. I had Mark with me and his son Zach, and they put a hurting on those 2 sharks in a hurry. But thank you guys very much for watching this video, and I appreciate y'all very much. Until we see y'all again, tight lines, Jettie Rockers, and we'll be seeing y'all real soon.